Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix tokenomics understanding with Messari, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by defining what tokenomics is. Tokenomics refers to the economic model behind a cryptocurrency or token. It's crucial to understand token supply, distribution, and incentives. Next, familiarize yourself with Messari, an analytical platform for crypto assets. Visit the Messari website and create a free account. Once logged in, navigate to the Assets section. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of cryptocurrencies. Choose a token you want to analyze. Click on the token to access its detailed profile page. On this page, review essential information including market cap, supply metrics, and price history. Take note of the token distribution data, which shows how tokens are allocated. Now, look at the inflation rates presented. This helps you understand how new tokens are introduced into the market. Next, explore the token's utility and its role within the ecosystem. Verify the roadmap provided by the project for potential future changes. Check for updates on any upcoming token releases or burns. Read the latest analysis and news articles linked on the token's profile page. This will provide context on the project's current standing and future potential. Engage with the community by accessing Messari's forums and discussions. Involvement in the community can deepen your understanding of practical applications and concerns. Make sure to take notes of any insights or unfamiliar terms. Use these notes to research further, solidifying your knowledge of tokenomics. Finally, review additional resources available on Messari for more comprehensive studies. Keep learning and updating your knowledge as the market evolves. With these steps, you should have a clearer understanding of tokenomics through Messari. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.